Hello, my name is Mike, and I will be reading from the 8083 Test Study Guide for the General Test. We will be starting with Chapter 4. Let's get to the questions. Question 4.1. In a sectional view drawing, what sections illustrate particular parts of an object? A. Removed, B. Revolved, or C. Half? The correct answer is A. Removed. Question 4.2. Which of the following best describes what is shown by a sectional drawing? A. The interior details of the object from the plane in which it was intersected. B. A detailed view of a particular section or component of an object. Or C. The details of how certain sections of a component are assembled into a single unit. Correct answer is A. The interior details of an object from the plane in which it was intersected. Question 4.3. The negative 100 in the title block area is applicable to which doubler part numbers? Diagram in figure 4.1 below. A. Negative 101, B. Negative 102, or C. Both. The answer is A. Negative 101. Question 4.4. Where are title blocks normally located on an aircraft drawing? A. Upper left-hand corner, B. Lower left-hand corner, or C. Lower right-hand corner? The correct answer is C. Lower right-hand corner. Question 4.5. Zone numbers on aircraft blueprints are used to A. Locate parts, sections, and views on large drawings, B. Indicate different sections of the aircraft fuselage, or C. Locate parts in the aircraft relative to the mean aerodynamic chord. Correct answer is A. Locate parts, sections, and views on large drawings. Question 4.6. The diameter of the holes in the finished object in the diagram, figure 4.2 below, are A. 3/4 inch, B. 31/64 of an inch, or C. 1/2 of an inch? The correct answer is C. 1/2 of an inch. Question 4.7. A dimension on a drawing is given as 4.387 inches plus 0.005, minus 0.002. What is the maximum tolerance? A. 0.005, B. 0.003, or C. 0.007? Correct answer is C. 0.007. Question 4.8. What is the allowable manufacturing tolerance for a bushing where the outside dimensions shown on the blueprint are 1.0625 plus 0.0025 minus 0.003? Is it A. 0.0028, B. 1.0650, or C. 1.0647? The correct answer is A. 0.0028. Question 4.9. What are the maximum number of views possible on an orthographic projection? A. 3, B. 8, or C. 6? The correct answer is C. 6. Question 4.10. A measurement should not be scaled from an aircraft print because the paper shrinks or stretches when the print is made. 2. When a detailed drawing is made, it is carefully and accurately drawn to scale and is dimensional. Regarding the above statements, is it A. Only number 2 is true, B. Both 1 and 2 are true, or C. Neither 1 or 2 is true? The correct answer is B. Both 1 and 2 are true. That would be a measurement should not be scaled from an aircraft print because of the paper shrinks or stretches when the print is made, and when a detailed drawing is made, it is carefully and accurately drawn to scale and is dimensional. Question 4.11. Which of these numbers indicates the horizontal distance from the manufacturer's datum to the location of the component of an aircraft? A. Zone number, B. Station number, or C. Moment number? The correct answer is B. Station number. Question 4.12. When reading aircraft blueprints, the term tolerance, used in association with aircraft parts or components, A, is the tightest permissible fit for proper construction and operation of mated parts. B, is the difference between extreme permissible dimensions that are a part may have and still be acceptable. Or C, represents the limits of galvanic compatibility between different adjoining material types in aircraft parts. The correct answer is B, is the difference between extreme permissible dimensions that a part may have and still be acceptable. Question 413. Figure 4.3 below depicts the front view of an object along with three permissible bottom views of the same object. Which is correct description of the bottom view? A, number 1, B, number 2, or C, number 3? Correct answer is B, view 2. Question 414. According to figure 4.4 on this page, the vertical distance between the top of the plate and the bottom of the lowest 15/64 inch hole is A, 2.250, B, 2.242, or C, 2.367. The correct answer is C, 2.367. Question 415. Refer to figure 4.5 on this page. Identify the left side of the object shown. A, 1, B, 2, or C, view 3. The correct answer is C, view 3. Question 416. Refer to figure 4.6 on this page. Identify the bottom view of the object shown. A, view 1, B, view 2, or C, view 3. The correct answer is A, view 1. Question 417. What is the class of working drawing that is the depiction of a single part? A, installation drawing, B, assembly drawing, or C, detail drawing? The correct answer is C, detail drawing. Question 418. The drawings often used in illustrated part catalogs, manuals, are A, exploded view, B, block view, or C, detail view? Correct answer is A, exploded view. Question 419. Refer to figure 4.7 on this page. In the isometric view of a typical aileron balance weight, identify the view indicated by the arrow. A, 1, B, 3, or C, 2. The correct answer is B, 3. Question 420. A drawing in which the sub-assemblies or parts are shown as brought together on the aircraft is called A, an assembly drawing, B, an installation drawing, or C, a detail drawing? The correct answer is B, an installation drawing. Question 421. In what type of electrical diagram are images of components used instead of conventional electrical symbols? A, a pictorial diagram, B, a schematic diagram, or C, a block diagram? The correct answer is A, a pictorial diagram. Question 422. One purpose for schematic drawings is to show the A, functional location of components within a system, B, physical location of components within a system, or C, size and shape of components within a system. The correct answer is A, functional location of components within a system. Question 423. Review the two statements below which are correct. 1. Schematic diagrams indicate the location of individual components in the aircraft. 2. Schematic diagrams indicate the location of components with respect to each other within the system. Regarding the above statements, A, only number 1 is true, B, number 1 and 2 are true, or C, only number 2 is true? The correct answer is C, only number 2 is true. Schematic diagrams indicate the location of components with respect to each other within the system. Question 424. A schematic diagram of a hydraulic system would indicate the A, specific location of individual components within the aircraft, B, direction of fluid flow through the system, or C, type and quantity of the hydraulic fluid? The correct answer is B, direction of fluid flow through the system. Question 425. What type of diagram is used to explain a principle of operation rather than show the parts as they actually appear? A pictorial diagram, B, a schematic diagram, or C, an assembly drawing? Correct answer is B, a schematic diagram. 426. What do flowcharts illustrate? A, the flow of hydraulic and fuel lines, B, the flow of air over an airfoil, or C, the flow of events in a particular sequence? Correct answer is C, the flow of events in a particular sequence. Question 427. The measurements showing the ideal or perfect sizes of parts on drawings are called A, tolerances, B, allowances, or C, dimensions? The correct answer is C, dimensions. Question 428. What would be the minimum diameter of 4130 round stock required for the construction of the clevis that would produce a machine surface? Refer to figure 4.8 below. A, 55/64 of an inch, B, 1 inch, or C, 7/8 of an inch? The correct answer is B, 1 inch. Question 429. What is the maximum diameter of the hole for the clevis pin? Refer to figure 4.8 below. A, 0.3175, B, 0.3130, or C, 0.31255? The correct answer is A, 0.3175. Question 430. In an aircraft drawing, what type of line would be drawn if it was composed of one long and two short evenly spaced dashes indicating the alternate position of parts of an object or relative position of missing part? A, sectional line, B, a break line, or C, a phantom line? Correct answer is C, a phantom line. 431. Using the information, what size drill would be required to drill the clevis bolt hole? Refer to figure 4.8 below. A, 5/16 inch, B, 21/64 inch, or C, 1/2 inch? The correct answer is A, 5/16 inch. Question 432. Identify the extension line in figure 4.9 below. A, 3, B, 1, or C, 2? The correct answer is A, 3. Question 433. What does the type of line below on an aircraft technical drawing represent? A, edges of an object which are invisible from the drawn perspective, B, the center line of an object or portion of an object, or C, the alternating position of a hinge portion of an object? The correct answer is B, the center line of an object or portion of an object. 434. Which statement is applicable when using a sketch for making a part? A, the sketch may be used only if supplemented with a 3-view orthographic projection drawing. B, the sketch must show all information to manufacture the part. Or C, the sketch need not show all necessary construction details. Correct answer is B, the sketch must show all information to manufacture the part. Question 435. What are the proper procedural steps for sketching repairs and alterations? Refer to figure 410 below. A, 3, then 1, then 4, then 2, or B, 4, then 2, then 3, then 1, or C, 1, then 3, then 4, then 2? The correct answer is A, 3, then 1, then 4, and then 2. Question 436. Refer to figure 4.1 below. What is the next step required for a working sketch of the illustration? A, darken the object outlines. B, sketch extension and dimension lines. Or C, add notes, dimensions, title, and date? The correct answer is B, sketch extension and dimension lines. 437. Refer to figure 412 on this page. Which material section line symbol indicates cast iron? A, number 1, B, number 2, or C, number 3? Correct answer is C, 3. Question 438. What should be the first step to produce, or the first step of the procedure in sketching an aircraft wing repair? A, draw heavy guidelines. B, lay out the repair. Or C, block in the views. The correct answer is C, block in the views. Question 439. 1. According to FAR Part 91, repairs to an aircraft skin should have a detailed dimensional sketch included in the permanent record. 2. On occasion, the mechanic may need to make a simple sketch of a proposed repair to an aircraft, a new design, or a modification. For the above statements, A, only 1 is true, B, only 2 is true, or C, both 1 and 2 are true. The correct answer is B, only 2 is true. On occasion, a mechanic may need to make a simple sketch or propose repair to an aircraft, a new design, or a modification. Question 440. For sketching purposes, almost all objects are composed of 1 or more combinations of 6 basic shapes. These include A, angle, arc, line, plane, square, and circle, or B, triangle, circle, cube, cylinder, cone, and sphere, or C, triangle, plane, circle, line, and square. The correct answer is B, triangle, circle, cube, cylinder, cone, and sphere. Question 441. An aircraft reciprocating engine has a 1,830 cubic inch displacement and develops 1,250 brake horsepower at 2,500 RPM. What is the brake mean effective pressure? Refer to figure 14 below for the answer. Is it A, 217, B, 205, or C, 225? The correct answer is A, 217. Question 442. An aircraft reciprocating engine has 2,800 cubic inch displacement and develops 2,000 brake horsepower and indicates 270 brake mean effective pressure. What is the engine speed RPM? Refer to figure 413 on the previous page. A, 2,200, B, 2,100, or C, 2,300. The correct answer is B, 2,100. Question 443. Determine the maximum length of number 16 cable to be installed from a bus to the equipment in a 28 volt system with a 25 amp intermittent load and a 1 volt drop. Refer to figure 414 below. A, 8 feet, B, 10 feet, or C, 12 feet. The correct answer is A, 8 feet. Question 444. Determine the proper tension of a 3/16 inch cable 7 by 19 extra flex if the temperature is 87 Fahrenheit. Refer to figure 415 below. Is it A, 135 pounds, B, 125 pounds, or C, 140 pounds? The correct answer is B, 125 pounds.